Trust is not broken by one big lie, it's broken by small patterns people ignore. Some people smile with you while quietly studying how to use you. And the most dangerous, people rarely look dangerous at first, but human behavior always leaves clues if you know where to look. Here are 7 things a person does when they should never be trusted. 1. They lie about small things. People who lie about small things are practicing for bigger ones. If someone bends the truth when it doesn't even matter, imagine when it does. Honesty is a habit, so is dishonesty. And habits reveal character faster than words ever could. Small lies are rarely small, they are rehearsals for future betrayal. 2. They change personality depending on the room. Watch how someone behaves with different people. One personality with you, another with strangers, another with authority. A shifting character reveals a shifting loyalty. Real character stays the same even when the audience changes. Consistency is the fingerprint of real character. 3. They break promises casually. Anyone can make promises, but trustworthy people treat their words like contracts. When someone repeatedly breaks promises, believe the pattern. Because reliable people protect their reputation through their actions. A broken promise is not a mistake when it becomes a habit. 4. They gossip about everyone. You are simply the next conversation when you leave the room. Respectful people protect reputations, they don't destroy them. People who feed on gossip often survive on betrayal. 5. They avoid accountability. Excuses appear instantly. Responsibility disappears just as quickly. 6. They only care when they need something. Their kindness appears suddenly and disappears just as fast. 7. They disrespect boundaries. Respect for boundaries is one of the clearest signs of respect for you. A person who ignores small boundaries will eventually violate bigger ones.